Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Tachiyomi app. Alright, let's begin. First, install the Tachiyomi app and open it. You'll see a welcome screen. Select your preferred theme and tap Next. Then choose a folder to store Tachiyomi files and allow access. Tap Next again, and enable permission to install apps from Tachiyomi if needed. After that, tap Get Started. Next, tap the More option, scroll down and go to Settings. Scroll again and tap Browse, then open the extension repository section. Launch your browser and search for Otaku Tachiyomi extensions. Tap the first link and scroll to find the extension repositories. Return to the app and ensure you're on the manga extension repository page. Go back to the browser and tap Auto Install for the manga repo. Repeat the same steps for the anime repo. Finally, open Browse and install any manga or anime extension you want. So that's basically how you can use the Tachiyomi app. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.